Hi there! Welcome to another episode of Tea Talk. Back on our show today is Dr. Kathleen Dang, our naturopathic physician and registered acupuncturist here at Red Tree Wellness. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
We are still social distancing, so I'm going to step back here. I hear you're going to talk to us today about facial rejuvenation with Gua Sha.
Yes.
So how is that different than Gua Sha on the body, which we had done a Tea Talk about earlier?
Yeah, so Gua Sha on the body, here is an example. It's a very deep massage, and it's to move blood and fascia, and it leaves like a red mark. And for the face, we're looking at something completely different, very superficial, and we're looking to engage in the lymphatic system. So we're not looking for any redness at all.
Okay, so when exactly would I want to use this for the face?
So I like to do it in the morning just to kind of bring down puffiness and to just wake up the face. And I wear masks a lot, and I feel like it drags down my mouth and my cheeks. And so in the evening, I like to just do a quick routine just to kind of release the tension and stress and to move out the lymph waste from the day.
I like that. Sounds good. So what would we need to do to prepare?
So start with a fresh face. I'm just going to take off my mask. And I like to start with a little bit of oil. You can use your favorite moisturizer. I'm using argan oil. And I just apply it to the back of the neck, the front, onto the face. This is for easy gliding with the tool. Okay. And today we're using this heart-shaped Gua Sha tool. Like this. I'm going to use 2 of them just because it's faster.
Okay.
And so I start here right at your collarbone, right here, and just go right above it and just sit and then just tap a few times just to activate the lymphatic ducts. These ducts drain the entire body, and so I call it the garbage truck. So then from here, start at the back of the neck, right behind the knee, right behind the ear, and then scrape down very gently across here, and then back down to the ducts, and then tap. And do this like 3 times. And so what you're doing is you're milking the lymph nodes, the cervical lymph nodes, very gently.
Nice.
If you do it too deeply, you occlude the lymph ducts, and so you want them to just get a nice little milking.
Right, so not too much pressure then?
No, not too much. You don't want to occlude it. And you'll get a feel for the pressure, very light, as if you're putting like butter on toast.
Okay.
And then I go right under the jaw. You have lots of lymph nodes there. You give it kind of like a little tap without lifting the tool. And then you just scrape all the way down and just tap at the ducts. And then these heart shapes are really cool because it has these grooves that you can put right on the jawline from the chin. And then go outwards. Follow the jawline. And then do a little tap right in front of the ears where the lymph nodes are, and then drain back down. So we're constantly kind of just thinking about draining all the lymph back into the ducts.
It seems so relaxing.
Yeah, it really is. And so from here you're going to go to the nose, the nasolabial groove, and just go underneath the cheek, tap, and then down, tap. And you can do that 3 to 5 times. But for ease of video, I'm going to go a little bit faster here. And then right under the eye orbit, I'm going to go to the inner eye and then just run this along the orbital ridge on the bottom. And do that 3 times. And then you tap a little bit before the ear and then drain all the way down. You're going to feel phlegm and mucus run down your back of your throat, and that's completely normal. That's kind of what you want.
Kind of what you want.
And then from the inner eyebrows, you go above or around the upper ridge of the eye. This is really good to de-stress those tense eye muscles, facial expression, squinting, And then drag it down to the front of the ear and then down.
And again, it's really light pressure, like butter on toast, as you said. So we
Yeah.
really don't want any kind of redness, unlike
Right.
body gua sha, where we were trying to bring up.
Yes,
The
this you're not bringing up any redness. It's just more like, it's actually just like a light scraping.
That's nice.
Then you end with the forehead. Start at the center, you bring it down. Again, tap at the front of the ear and back down. I like to end with just making sure all the neck and cervical nodes get a little bit of attention, and then end with the tap at the duct.
Huh.
And that's it.
That's wonderful. It seems really relaxing. Can you show us a little bit about the tools that you're using?
Yeah, so this is rose quartz. This is jade. I really like jade, but these are different shapes. This is puzzle, and this is rabbit ear. They're both really nice. It's whatever you can find. But I prefer for the face the heart shape, just because it's, for a beginner, it's really easy to use and kind of flip and manipulate around.
Right. Okay, great. Is there anything else that is specific for, say, aftercare?
Yeah, so I like to stay hydrated, so drink some warm tea or have some water afterwards. I like to wash my face and then start my serum and creams afterwards.
Ah.
And yes, it's easy to care for them. You just wash them in soap and water and set them aside.
Great, thank you for showing that to us.
You're
It
so
seems
welcome.
like really great, easy at-home self-care. I'm really looking forward to hearing how people enjoy that. Please let us know what else you'd like us to show you on our Tea Talks. And thank you for being on the show, Dr. Dang.
Thank you.